Okay, I am here with my. This is a bittersweet moment because I absolutely love Erin Condren's seasonal surprise boxes. Ever since I've been introduced to Erin Condren over the last, it's been almost a year and a half now, I have really enjoyed their products, and the seasonal surprise boxes have always delighted me. I mean, there's always been fun items in there that I do use, and I appreciate all the hard work that goes into creating these boxes. So, this is the last one, the seasonal surprise box for the summer of 2023. And so, I open it up, and I'm going to get this down a little bit so that you can see you are right where you need to be. So that is the theme of being right where you need to be. And you open it up, and of course, it has a nice little explanation of what is inside the box. And it shows you, and it has, basically, it says, we hope this final seasonal surprise box as you know it. So we know that Erin Condren is up to something. They've got something in the works that is going to replace the seasonal surprise boxes, and I'm looking forward to that. So the first item is basically, it is a notepad and sticky notes. So here we go, and underneath the flap, there are sticky notes, and they're beautiful. Look at those colors. They remind me of the Color Blends theme. So that is the notepad, the sticky notes. I won't take everything out, but just so you can see. The other are the retractable fine liner 6-pack of pens. And those also look like some really fun summer colors. You have magenta, purple, orange. That looks almost like a slate blue and a teal blue, and then kind of like a yellow lime green color. So I'm not quite sure what that will look like once you start writing with it. This is what I'm really excited about. I have wanted a stencil that was a stronger plastic stencil for a while. I have something that I got on Amazon that is a bunch of stencils, but the plastic is really thin. So these are, this is a functional planning stencil snap in, so you can keep this in your planners or your notebooks. And I just thought that was brilliant. Thank you, Erin Condren, for coming up with that idea. There are holes. You can see the different size of holes, and then also hearts that you can create for your to-do lists. So I really, really like that item. Then there are some stickers. So you are right where you need to be. I love that. I love like encouraging little sentiments like that. And then we have washi tape. So some fun washi tape that looks like they're dots and large dots. Okay, and then we have the very last item, which is the notebook. And I got the notebook that looks like it's flora almost, it's plants and look at that. Oh, that's really cool. So inside you have the months and the days, the day numbers, which is really cool because, oh my gosh, I can see so many different uses for this. But for me, I already have a notebook that I'm currently using, but I will be using this also for it, and that is for client calls. So when I have a client call, I will always date my client calls, and then I write notes during the call. So if you have something where, you are talking with people on a regular basis, you may want to use it for that, like a telephone or a call log, phone log. But there's other things too, of course, that you could use it for. You could use it for, planning your projects. If you have some project work, if you have kids that are, involved in activities, you could certainly use it for that too. I mean, just anything really. I mean, that you need, that where you need to mark the month and the day. But it's, of course, it's that wonderful paper. I love their paper. Their paper is just so amazing. There is no envelope in it, or the folder in the back that they have. So just so you know that. But this is the Take Note Perpetual Notebook, and it has the dashboard that is, I think, their new and improved dashboard, which is nice. It has like an area here where you can put some to-do tasks if you'd like, and open space for other items. And I think in the back in the back it's lined. So they have lined, and I know that I heard someone else mention this. They did get rid of the barcodes, so you don't see a barcode down there. Okay, so that is the surprise box, the last one. And if you can grab one before they're gone, I would say go ahead and do it. There's lots of good stuff in here. And, something like, especially the stencil, that's well worth it. The pens, very nice, retractable fine liners. And then this is really nice too. This has, by the way, a really hard back to it. So that's something just to think about, that, it'll look really nice on your desk, and looks like it'll take some wear and tear a little bit, because this is heavy duty cardboard that is has a coating on it. But I just love this kind of stuff, because believe me, I use sticky notes all the time and put them in my planners and everything. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching.